Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of our GPS speedometer project. In this part, we will finally program our PCB. By the end of this video, you will have a functional ready-to-use speedometer. We will start by following this wiring diagram to communicate with U-Blox Neo-6m through the FTDI-232 programming device. Now open U-Center application, go to connect the COM port, and make sure you have the appropriate clock rate. Now go to View, Packet Console, and see if everything went smoothly. The messages will start to appear on the screen, and you'll know that this part of the PCB is functional. We will not program the U-Blox GPS at this point. That will be done through our code, or sketch, some people like to call it. Now close the application and follow the Atmega wiring diagram to communicate with the Atmega 328. There are two codes, and that will depend on the OLED screen you have. In my case, I use SH1106. Now go to Tools, select Arduino Nano. Make sure you are connected to the correct COM port. Now all you have to do is send the code to the GPS speedometer by clicking Send. If you are interested to know more about the code, please visit my other videos where I explained what the code does and how to modify some aspects of the code. Now once the sketch has been sent, make sure both lines are rotating. In our case, we have to turn on both 1 and 2 switches. Now plug a Type-C connector to the GPS speedometer, and if everything went smooth, both lines will be rotating and the button will change the speedometer from kilometer to miles and vice versa. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next part.